In this quick video, I am going to show you how to upload your files and photos to your iCloud using your iPhone and iPad. Okay, first open your Safari app, then type iCloud. Then open this. Now click sign in. Now tap continue and show your Face ID. Yeah, now it's automatically enter into your iCloud.com. Yes, now scroll down a bit. Yeah, now you can see the option photos. Click here. These photos are already uploaded to my iCloud. To upload your files of photos, just click this upload button. Then you can see this option choose files. Click that. Yeah, now you redirects to Files app. Just click back on my iPhone. Yeah, here you can see all your files of photos. Just click these three dots and tap select and select the photos you want to move to iCloud. Just like that. Then click open. Yeah, now your selected photos are uploaded to your iCloud. Yes, now you successfully uploaded your files of photos to your iCloud using your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.